Hey guys, what's up? I was going to do some unboxing just for fun. I got that package from the other side of Earth, basically, from Australia, from Kevin. And you might have seen earlier in my post that I have ordered the ServiceNow cards from him, and I haven't seen it myself. So let's take a look what I actually got. So, special package. Hold on. Probably need to do some cutting. Oh, come on, Kevin. He loves his. It's not duct tape, at least. So, a little thank you note from Kevin. And we've got a witch doctor card. And we've got the SN app complete set. So let's open it up and see what it is. Even if I don't want to break the seals, I still want to. I need some other tools. So let's take a look. So here it is. Get some cool text on the back side as well. Let's open it up and see what we got. There is a lot of cards, so let's go through. We got the Rookie Advocate, Dual Weeding Duke, not Duke, Queen Kali, Pranat Bot, the List Checker, the Newsman, you got the Nerd, Velocity, we got the Architect, the Shadow, Mr. Everywhere, the Test Master, there's a lot of cards, the Modeler, we have the Ambassador, the Evil Genius, Captain Carter, Right Side Up Andrew, we have the Explorer, Astral, the Portal Engineer, the Now Guys, and hear me, the Witch Doctor, the Duke, the Next Gens, sadly, the Mayor, we miss him already, or not already, for a while, Mr. Right, Liquor Bot, that's a good old knowledge bot. Fred, the founder. We got the Professor. Megapow. The Tolsons, who just joined us, being a service developer advocate. We have the Flavucado. And we got Arnold, QE, the Toolmaster, the Toolmaker. Mark the Stranger. The Earl. Oh my god, we got Yellow Script, that's not good. We got Iron Shock. Maker McKee. Mac Mamanian. Captain CJ. Brad the Beard. And last but not least, Bill from the Deli. So that's it. A lot of good cards. Really nice one with the holographic ones. Really good work there, Kevin. And by the way, thanks for the signed one as well from you. That looks really good too. That's all. Buy it.